Eleanor, come on in.
Lefty, oh don't stress me. Double OT, I need more sleep.
Hey everyone! So this will be a different type of video. It will not be a vlog. It's more like a lookbook. Pero inspired lang yung outfits from personalities of different characters from The Good Place, which is my favorite series. It's really good and I recommend everyone to watch it. So that's all. Enjoy! Starting with my queen. She's not a girl nor a robot because she is royalty, ma'am. Instead of letting my hair down, I opted for a ponytail because wala mainit. Secondly, I think it looks better, especially with the volume of the outfit, the silhouette. And look at that Christmas sweater I'm wearing. Yes, it is one of my favorite things in the world, but girl, she be hot to wear. Thus, me using a belt both as a pop of color and to conserve the waist from the overwhelming volume ng vest and then the sweater. Also, the pearl earrings that you must not forget, a Janet staple. Another option is to lose the belt but make sure to tuck the enormous sweater as to not be drowned in it. And there we have it. I'm not really aiming to exactly copy the outfits and this is me falling. Time for my Oscar, Emmy, Tony, Bienne, Chloe worthy acting.
Please don't hurt me, I don't wanna die!
Not a girl.
Not a boy.
Everyone's girl, Eleanor! I wanted a preppy casual look because she always wears jeans, diba, in the show. But since it's hot in here, I opted for denim shorts. Ignore me and my pretentious short hair here. Then for the preppy look, ready to go to essay class by Mr. Hot Mealman Chibi. Fun fact, I literally use my school uniform for the picking color look and then a pink sweater. And I love wearing this sweater to sleep because it just feels so soft. And that speaks Eleanor, diba? For the accessories, I wore two beaded bracelets. One that says ho and another hello, but with the hell separated. Lastly, pink heart-shaped glasses to spice some things up because we don't want this.
You're basic.
Then I figured to make another outfit, this time with a casual round neck tee. Ayan, I'm sure meron kayo yan. So, if gusto nyo makahanap na inspiration, this is pretty much yung pwede nyo talagang gayahin. I layered that under the pink sleeveless sleepwear. So, ano to? Silk. You see the shine there? I like how simple this is because that is who Eleanor is for me. A simple girl lang. But her personality is what people love about her. Added a gold necklace for a little bit of character. I thought of the party when she was awarded as best person. By that, I added a pearl crown clip. That's the closest I have.
What the fuck? Bullshit!
Asshole.
All of my friends, all of my...
For chibi, of course, the bookish nerd aesthetic. Except I didn't back down when it comes to colors. Instead of plain white button down, I chose this really loud, saturated orange half sleeves. Tapos, I paired it with checkered trousers because it reminds me of Chibi's lack of ability to really choose between two things. Even the hair, I went for the most Chibi of all styles. Half up and half down. I'm reading this book at the perfect time about the philosophies in life because, you know, we gotta learn ethics, y'all. Also added a watch for that talagang rigid schedule type of guy and another DIY bracelet with a C for chibi.
Versatile.
I wore a tube top with gems on it because tahani. Tahani for me is that homeschool transferee who always combs her hair with a huge pink brush. She might look intimidating at first, but once you get to know her, you see her childhood trauma. Joke lang. You see how pure her heart is and why she aims to be the female Gatsby. Kasi nga parang hindi siya natututukan ng parents niya, so she's looking for other people na pwedeng mag-provide ng emotional support. Yung mga kaibigan ko dyan. And pearl necklaces lang with pendant, yung mga from the most exotic animals, pinakailalim ng Mariana Trench, ganong vibes. And another look is, of course, wearing a long dress. I have this dress, this maxi dress that I only wore once for a school activity and never ko na siya ulit nasuot. So, I think it's perfect. It is very bohemian and beach wedding vibes, for the tahani who always host parties, syempre. And I feel really confident in this outfit, actually. So, I am here acting like I'm the queen of the world. Then, some dangling yet classy earring lang. I only have these simple ones because unlike the tahani, I'm broke AF. An added touch of pearl headband to tie the whole look together.
All of my friends.
Jason. Just Jason. He's that kid who cracks a lot of jokes in class. This big, seriously maroon top because no one takes him seriously kasi nga parang very comedic. Pero for me, siya yung joker na may sense talaga yung sinasabi na. Pag ina-analyze mo yung sinasabi, ang daming wisdom na mapupulot with his bucket hat covering his face because he did not get enough sleep from going out with Killboy. He might not be the smartest guy in the room, but he empathizes with everyone around him, and that's what I love about Jason Mendoza. And here, my friends, is the real Jason. Just like in season 1 where he was dressed as a monk, a complete opposite of who he is. This is him, the carefree, outgoing. Anyway, he just wants to have fun and make sure everyone around him is happy and enjoying the moment. I wore my dad's jersey, sando with ripped jeans. I just added a pink bonnet for character and this really, really long heart-shaped locket in the center, yung centerpiece, ganyan. I also used one of my anklets as a bracelet. Also some unbalanced earrings for that bad boy look. I haven't really worn ripped jeans, yung butas talaga, yung tuhod part, for a long time. And as you can see, I'm having fun. No matter what, we all love our pre-successful DJ Mo.
Claustrophobic. He doesn't like Santa Claus.
Whatever. All of my friends.
Lastly, our architect, Michael. I went for a somehow dark academia, ganyan. From Janet, I have the same vest in brown. I added it on top of this ill-fitting blazer. Hindi kasi yan sa akin. Just so you wait, when you least expect it, you realize that this silent loner is the one responsible for every bad thing happening to you. And it makes perfect sense. The rings of enchantment and witchcraft, her Wanda fingers, her necklace with that weird yet enticing pendant, a teardrop. Because she likes to see people cry and collects the tears. Another option is to lose the maroon blazer and make the vest, the brown one, shorter to see how much you don't know about this person. The one responsible. That's all, guys. I'm so pissed right now. Please, panoorin nyo yung The Good Place. It's really nice. Ano lang siya, super light-hearted, pero maganda. Maganda talaga. I'll give it a 5 out of 5. Syempre, favorite. And also, thank you so much to my friends. Yung iba dito, tinulungan nila ako sa pagpili ng outfit. But since tatlo lang yung mga kaibigan kong nanonood, I mean 4, pero tatlo lang yung nagbigay ng outfit. Thank you so much. I had to do some on my own, but it's really nice to have their help and their insight. Comment below if you want these types of video because actually sobrang napagod ako after ko tong i-film, but I really had fun. As in, super natutuwa lang ako and I'm just enjoying and that's my goal. So let me know if you want more of this or if there are certain parts where I can improve. Thank you for always watching and supporting, and sa mga aso namin, okay, maingay. Bye y'all! Love you!
You
Pero hindi nila alam na may wisdom that comes from his shallow. Oh my God!